Hi everyone, I'm Muffin. First, we need to go to our Muggle AI website to download our AI client. Here you can choose the appropriate operating system. Currently, we do not support Mac OS. After downloading, once you extract it on your desktop, you will get a folder like this. At this point, you just need to run the Muggle AI executable file because our software is not yet signed, okay? So at this point, you need to click on more information and then allow it to continue executing. Normally, you should see a login screen where you can use your Google ID. You can log in or register using your Google email or your phone number, and you will see this is our interface. So this client, its purpose is to provide a simple interface. As you can see, there are only 3 buttons, a simple interface, and a browser, which allows you to guide AI step by step to do certain tasks. The second function is that when it is running, it will connect to our Muggle AI backend. When your agent needs to call some functions, it can distribute this task to your client, and you can watch the AI execute it. This actual action. Okay. Next, let's see how to book a parking spot in Paris. I've already prepared a solution, which is to check the party's webpage to see if there are any parking spots available. Everyone just needs to use this link to access mine. On the solution page, it will automatically open a dialog box. In this dialog box, there are 2 intelligent agents. One is responsible for helping you book a parking spot, and the other is responsible for periodically reminding the other agent, to check if there are any parking spots available. We can choose to speak to one of the agents. So now let's talk to the one that provides periodic reminders. We tell the intelligent agent, okay, every hour you inform the other intelligent agent to check if there are any free parking spots. On March 30th at this location, so I'll tell it first. And then this intelligent agent will confirm some details. With you, it helps you define, that is, submit a request to let the parking booker do something, and they are already interacting with each other. So here you can see the parking booking. The skill has already been invoked, and it has dispatched the execution list of this skill to the client. So you can see here the requirements I just asked for. Then here it will execute step by step according to the content I taught before. In this process, it will change its execution flow based on your different requirements. What we need to change here is the currently scheduled date. Here it selected the date I wanted, March 30th. We can see here that the free parking space has been received, but at this point it will return saying, oh, now there is no free parking space. Then it will try again next time. Okay. Since free parking spaces are quite limited, I recorded another attempt to book a paid parking space to show everyone. What does completing this reservation specifically look like? On the screen, we can see that we have made a new request, which is to book a paid parking space. You can see that the mutation test box is already filled out. The reservation for March 30th has been successful, and it is for a paid parking lot. The basic process is like this. Once you are very lucky and successfully reserve your parking space, then it will be a bit of a hassle. Everyone, please help me save some money, because Manfen is very poor right now. We don't have the funds to upgrade our server, so it can only run on your machines, yeah. So I would ask everyone to come to my schedule after completing the reservation. On this page, then delete your task. This way it can save Manfen a lot of money. Thank you everyone, and I hope you all can reserve a free parking spot. If you have any suggestions or encounter any issues during use, please provide feedback or suggestions in our WeChat group or on our Discord channel. If you want to use Muggle AI to implement some of your own ideas, feel free to message us privately. We can schedule a time to explore how this can be achieved. In theory, using the Muggle AI tool, it should be possible to accomplish these complex tasks. Alright, today's tutorial ends here. Thank you everyone.